afternoon, Castlewood. It's Miss Fletcher here. Thursday last week was Earth Day 2021, so today in my assembly we're going to explore why we celebrate Earth Day and what we can do as individuals and a community to help save our planet. The last year has been a huge challenge for all of us, but how has this affected our planet? Let's see what David Attenborough has to say.
March 2020. A deadly virus sweeps around the world. Overnight, our lives are put on pause.
Today, the WHO declared a pandemic,
issuing a stay home, stay safe order,
directing all of our residents to quite simply stay at home.
But as we stop, remarkable things start to change in the natural world.
With the clear skies, for the first time in a lifetime, we can see the Himalayas.
With beaches closed to humans, these animals were nesting at a more successful rate than we've ever seen.
One vocalizing and then the other. I'd never heard that before.
From the start of lockdown, across 5 continents, we have recorded a global experiment of epic proportions that has shown us, if we choose, we can transform the health of the planet for all.
Now the world is opening up again, we need to make sure that we continue to protect our planet. As David Attenborough said, remarkable things have started to change in the natural world. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to talk to your partner about things you can do to help our planet. I'm sure you've all got some amazing ideas, but let's see if you've thought of all of these ones.
What can we do to protect our Earth? It's the simple things that make a change. Recycling, reusable materials, second-hand shopping, saving water, reducing plastic, less meat consumption. We have to learn to take care of our waste and be more open for plastic-free options. No one is too small or young to make a change. Raise your voice for your home that takes care of you and your friends and family.
I'd love to hear about all the things that you are going to do to help continue to protect our Earth. But until then, I thought I'd leave you with these two quotes. So much beauty we need to look after, and we do not inherit the Earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. Thank you for listening to my assembly this afternoon. I hope you have a lovely afternoon, Castlewood. Bye!